few hours ago, I had an episode where I coughed up some phlegm and I was in severe pain. Had to hit the button. Nurse had to come in here and give me uh, in my IV some real strong meds. It was hurting. I was cussing on my side. Felt like a lion had just bit the whole side of me out. Well, I feel better now. The doctor comes in and tells me, and I told him what happened. He said, "Well, that's a good thing. Coughing up the phlegm is good. It helps um, that I don't get pneumonia." He gives me this device. I have to take 10 deep breaths per hour with this to help me cough even more. So I understand. I'm not gonna argue with the doctors, but I told him, all right, if I'm gonna do that, and I'm going home. Yes, I am going home today. I need some strong medication. The same medication that nurse put in my IV. You're gonna have to give it to me in a pill form because this crap hurts. So, excuse me. I got to do this every hour. Not every hour, 10 per hour. And that's going to help me to cough even more. I do not want to cough, but if I have to, I have to. And I'm about to get out this bed and walk some more because in 4 hours I'll be home. I'll keep you all informed.